Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Flaxseed flour is a product made from ground flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various antioxidants. Flaxseed flour is often used as an ingredient in recipes for breads, cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. It can also be added to smoothies, yogurts, and cereals to increase the nutrient content of these foods. In addition to being an excellent source of nutrients, flaxseed meal can also help improve digestion, reduce the risk of heart disease, and control blood sugar. However, it is important to remember that flaxseed meal should not be heated to high temperatures, as this can damage the beneficial nutrients. In addition to the previously mentioned benefits, flaxseed meal is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects. This is largely due to the presence of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduction in inflammation throughout the body. Another potential benefit of flaxseed meal is its ability to help lower cholesterol. Several studies have shown that adding flaxseed meal to the diet can lead to a reduction in total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, levels, which can help lower the risk of heart disease. In addition, flaxseed meal can also be useful for people who are trying to lose weight. The fiber in flaxseed meal can help increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. However, it's important to remember that flaxseed meal can have side effects in some people. For example, it can cause digestive discomfort in people with gastrointestinal sensitivity. Also, flaxseed meal can have hormonal effects in women, so it's important to consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet, especially if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Flaxseed flour can help clean the intestine due to its high amount of soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fibers present in flaxseed help absorb water and form a gelatinous substance that helps lubricate the intestine and facilitate the passage of stool. Insoluble fiber helps bulk up stool and promote proper bowel movement. Additionally, flaxseed meal also contains compounds that may help improve gut health, such as lignans and mucilages. Lignans are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, while mucilages are gel-like substances that can help protect the intestinal lining and reduce inflammation. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Above all, turn on the notification bell and you will receive more content like this every day. We are waiting for you in the next video. Thank you very much.